how to see unsent photos on Messenger. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you see unsent photos on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, you'll have to firstly open your Messenger app on your device. So simply open the Messenger. And now from here, you'll have to tap on three lines just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the menu. And now from here, you'll have to tap on settings. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like photos and media. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from the photos and media section, you'll have to turn on this feature like save on capture. So simply you have to turn this, and after you turn this, you'll be able to save new photos that you have been taking in your Messenger app, or you make some edit on your Messenger. So from there you'll be able to get that image on your gallery as a backup. So after the conversation or message will be unsent, you can easily find out that photos on your gallery. So this is the process. So unfortunately it can't recover the past picture before you turn on this feature. So after you turn on this feature, you'll be able to back up your photos to your gallery on Messenger app. So this is the process. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.